Hi everyone. So this video is dedicated to understanding the Microsoft SaaS-based email products. Either you can take Office 365 or you can go for Microsoft 365. The both have same some difference as you can see on the screen. Office 365 provides you the cloud-based service that includes productivity apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Also, it provides you collaboration tool like SharePoint, MS Teams, and OneDrive. On the other end, Microsoft 365 includes all services mentioned in the Office 365 plus Windows 10 and 11. And the major difference here is the enterprise mobility plus security. So let's understand the tools and capability. So here, the first thing which we talked about is create content. So when you want to create a content for project work, you need a Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So that is much needed here, right? Uh, then, if you want to access the files and photos anywhere, then the OneDrive is there. So rather than keeping the files on local drive, you can keep it on OneDrive as per the your license. You will also get disk space. You can access this data from anywhere through OneDrive app. The OneDrive is designed to provide you a user immediate access to their data no matter where they are on any device. So the next one is that MS Teams. So if you want to connect with your team member on daily basis for meetings, charts, and calls, MS Team is the best tools. You can share your screen, record the meetings through share documents like the you can do a lot of stuff. Even though you can create a separate team channels for your project team and manage the RBAC access for also here. Now the next is the emails. The email is an important tool of MS 365 or even the Office 365 to take your business forward. You need an online offline outlook to organize your mails, exchange help to send and receive the mails. Now the projects. So projects is the project management is a project management. Similarly, planner is for task management to people working on the projects. Booking, as the name suggests, it is for appointment scheduling. The to do is a task management app for your daily basis. The forms helps you to create a surveys, a quiz, polls, and the list is kind of information tracking app, which you can use any one of this app for your work. Similarly, you can use the Power App, Power Automate, are cool tools to save your time by doing the manual work. Recently, I created a small app to update my timesheet. So this, as the name suggests, this tools will save your time much. Then next is a Yammer. So Yammer is a secure enterprise social network designed for connecting and engaging the people across your organization. If you are already using Microsoft tools, SharePoint, it is not new to you. We all used to keep all our data on the SharePoint and to share with internal and external teams. So SharePoint give you the UI to put the news as well. Next is a stream. So stream you can consider as a YouTube. You can create a videos, post them here, uh, and meeting recording can be stored over here as well for future reference. So this stream works within an organization. So this video can be shared with anyone. Then the last one about Viva. I think Viva is the more I feel AI based tool. This Viva Insight provides the privacy protected insights and actionable recommendation that helps everyone in the organization to work smarter and achieve balance. Now let's move on the subscription plans. The first one is the Microsoft 365 for home. So it is compulsory if you are working from home to access you all your productivity tools to access your mails. The next one is Microsoft 365 Education. So the plan is to this plan also new to me. I didn't find this plan for India at least. As the name suggests, this plan is for student and faculty. Then the third plan is the Microsoft 365 government plan. This is for government institutions. I haven't proposed this plan to any of my customer in the India as of now. So this plan is still not available in India, but it is available outside the India. Then the fourth plan is a Microsoft 365 for business. So so this is designed for a small and medium sized organization. So that have to 300 employees and has a four subscription plan. So so this plan is very much popular and available for you to use. But as a the names as this plan you can go for, then you can have this plan is limited reachability. So if you have small businesses, then you can use this plan. Okay, and then the last one is the enterprise plan. So enterprise plan designed for this large organization has a three subscription plan as well as a four subscription plan as well. So we can go more into this plan as well. But just to understanding about it, this is a five major subscription plan which you can see. Out of this, any one of the plan you can choose for your organization or for your customer to onboard them or to allow them to access the mails, your productivity tools. So now moving next. Now we will understand pricing model because once if you take this product, then there is some pricing model you will understand. The first one is a trial. Is very simple. I will give a demo for on this as well in the upcoming videos. But the trial is a simple one. You have to just sign up for this trial subscription, and you will get a Microsoft 365 license for 30 days, through which you can understand and you use this tool and see the power of the tool. The next is the direct billing. So you can directly, as a customer, directly you can buy and pay for your Microsoft 365 subscription with a credit or debit card, or even for a from account as well. The third is a cloud service solution provider model. So in this, the Microsoft Partner Program that provides us expertise and services you need through expert CSP partners. So you can go to CSP partners, and from him, you can take this plan. Okay, so you can get some benefit also from that plan. And the last one is the enterprise agreement. Enterprise agreement is designed for organization that want to license software and cloud services for the minimum 3 years of period. Okay, so if you want to take this plan and you have already done the enterprise agreement, then this plan is available for you. So now, moving next, now we will see a Microsoft 365 deployment method, which is very much important to understand. Uh, uh, okay, this is very important. So first plan is a general deployment. In general deployment, you can take Office 65 subscriptions and download the and configure the productivity tools on your machines, and you can access the services over the internet. Okay, so you can see the internet over here. So through which you use it anywhere. You can use laptop, desktop, or mobile. Once you have a license assigned to you, then you can access the all my productivity tools via internet. So that is the simple way to access it. Okay, so even though even accessing the tools from the home as well, you have to use internet. Okay, so there is a one more way available. Just I'm just giving you giving you the information over here. Is up to you whether you want to go via internet or you want to go via some other method. Okay, so the second one is about express route. So express route is a part of Azure cloud, right? So uh, you can go for express route if you need a private and more reliable connectivity, because the internet will give you the best effort basis. So you can see some slowness as also on internet, but you want a higher speed, you want a dedicated link only assigned to your team or to your organization, then in that case you can use the express route. Okay, which is more reliable. So this is all about general deployment. So now we'll move on to next deployment, that is we call a cloud deployment. So you have taken a separate subscription. For example, this is a separate subscription you have taken, right? And set up a Windows AD running on the VM. If you want to access the emails and other productivity tools by using the same credentials, then the better option is to sync your Windows AD credentials with Azure AD over here uh, by using the Azure AD Connect. It is a free of cost service which through which you can sync your credentials and with the Microsoft 365 Azure AD, and then you can access your mails. Okay, so before that, once the credential gets synced, then you need to apply the licenses to that credentials, and then you can access your mails, even though you can access your Word, PowerPoint, Excel over the internet. Okay, so you don't need to use separate credential to accessing your VMs inside the your other subscriptions and the your Office 65 products. Okay, both can be accessed via single sign-on. Next, the hybrid deployment. So instead of running the Windows AD in the cloud, you could have a Windows AD running on the on-prem. So now my AD is running on the on-prem. Similarly, like a Windows AD into the cloud, similarly you have to uh, enable or configure the Azure AD Connect. So it is a free of cost service through which you can sync all your credentials from on-prem to the cloud AD, which is available with the Microsoft 365 product. And then you can assign licenses to that users, and then your users can access that mails, okay, access the products by the same credentials. So that's the beauty of this. Now this is the last one. I haven't seen this setup a lot of places, so but it's my duty to tell you about this setup as well. That is we call a split tunneling. So with the split tunneling, you can determine which website and apps you use a VPN connection and which will use a direct internet connection. So this can be useful for improving the performance, bypassing the firewall restrictions, or accessing the geo-restricted content. Microsoft 365 split tunneling allows you to route some of the network traffic through VPN while still accessing the internet directly. So this you can use it if you want to divide your traffic, which is going to internet and which is going to Office 65 or Microsoft 365. Okay, so this is all about deployment. So now the next thing which I want to discuss and which I want to tell you about a difference. Okay, so now you understood the overall structure of the Microsoft 365. Okay, but when you propose the Microsoft 365 or Office 365 to your customer, the main point here is that to understand the what are the features you will get inside the plan. So which plan you will suggest to your customer, so that plan you have to first understand it, and if you understand that well, then you can propose that plan, because every plan comes with some cost. So you also, because every customer is looking to save a cost as well while taking this plan. So in my next video I will more focusing on this plans, what are the difference into this plan, and then I will also give you a small demo on that. So that's the first thing. The second thing which I will talk about the requirement gathering. So when you go to customer and you want to onboard them, then the first thing is that you need to gather a data. What is their ask? Okay, so how they're going to access the mails, what is the mailbox size they're looking for, what is storage they're looking for, what are the productivity tool they're going to access. So that data you have to capture at the initial stage or at the first stage before proposing any solution to them. Once you know the plan, then you can get a data and you can try to match the data which you collected with the plan, and then provide them a best plan, so that they will it will save the cost also, and they will get a best performance to them as well. And the last one is about the onboarding. So once you have a plan, once you have a data from the customer, now it's your duty to onboard them smoothly. So in my next video I will talk about this as well. So this is all the things I'm going to cover in this video. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.